Okay, so this question concerns us with binomial expansion. We've got 1 plus some constant k times x to the power of minus 4, and we're given 1 minus 6x plus ax squared, da 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 da. That's the first three terms. We're looking to find k, which is inside the brackets, and a, which is part of the third term. So, start to find k. So first of all, let's see what the formula is for binomial expansion. So we've got 1 plus n times x over 1 factorial. That's the first term with x. Second term is plus n times n minus 1 x squared over 2 factorial. So that is equivalent to that. Okay, so what we want to know is what we can do for k, to find k. So what is n? Well, n is the first indice in the binomial expansion, so that's minus 4. So n equals minus 4. So basically what we now have is we need to find kx. So we need to find n times k equals minus 6. Okay, because that's our first term, minus 6. The x is in both, we don't need to worry about the x just for now. So n times k equals minus 6. We know what n is minus 4. So minus 4k equals minus 6. K equals minus 6 over minus 4, which is 3 over 2. So that's our first term. So our first term, 3 over 2, is k. Okay, now the second term, ax squared. Let's find that. So let's use this second part. So n times n minus 1, x squared over 2 factorial. Okay, so now we've got this term here, kx, so we need to multiply this by our kx squared. So k squared, x squared will give us our term. Now we know what k is, it's 3 over 2. We know what the n's are, and we know what 2 factorial is. So let's just plug those numbers in. So n is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Divided by 2 factorial, that's 2. And then x squared, now k squared, is 3 over 2 squared. Okay, now this will give us our a, so that will equal ax squared. So each side is multiplied by x squared, so we can take that out. So we can go, that just equals a, x squared can cancel. Minus 4 times minus 5, 5 fours are 20, 2 minuses make a plus, so that's 20. 20 over 2. X squared we've taken care of. 3 over 2, that's the same as 3 squared over 2 squared, which is equal to 10 times 3 squared, which is 9 over 4. So we now know that a equals 10 times 9 over 4. So a equals 90 over 4. So therefore a equals 45 over 2. So therefore ax squared is just the same as 45 over 2 x squared. And that's our answer.